AutoCAD, it is a commercial computer design and it is a drafting software. It is developed by Autodesk company. Before times, people are doing drawing on pen paper basis, and they are traditional drafting and design method. Nowadays, computer have changed all the things and adopt all the drawings in AutoCAD or in a programming base. AutoCAD replaced the all traditional drafting method. We can also modify AutoCAD drawing in AutoCAD design. There are various applications. Generally, you will study right now. You will study all the drawings A4, A2, or A3 size sheet, and we are done by pen paper. But our chapter number 9, it is also included due to the recent trend. What are going right now, and what things are important, like software based in mechanical and civil engineer. All the words are going only software based, not pen paper right now. But in our syllabus, for base knowledge of this subject, it's required what is Autodesk, how it's work, and what are the applications. Generally, you can see that in screen, 10% of marks of this software. Uh, Generally, in our lab program, you have to draw in AutoCAD design software, and in G2 exam, they ask a question, 3 marks or 4 marks. Before start the chapter, we have to learn why we have to use AutoCAD software, and why we have to learn this chapter in engineering drawing. This AutoCAD have different types of application, from aerospace to structural design, railway, in marine engineering, also electronics and electrical engineering. It's a widely application where the designs are required. First, if you are talking about the aerospace application, it is used to design the
સર તમે મ્યુટ થઈ ગયા છો પાછા ઓટોમેટિક અનમ્યુટ કર લોકેશ સર માઇક ઉપર હા 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 કોઈ વાંધો નહીં.
hello.
હાજી
Yes.
હવે સંભળાય.
Network loss. Yes, yes.
ઓકે
Generally, I am talking about the application. Before, you all know that how to do drawing in a drawing sheet, but how it's used. Before using the software, we know where it is used. There are several types of application, like in aerospace, automotive. In aerospace, it is used to design the critical parts of aero parts. For example, rocket design. The accurate design are required to. Sometimes we have to make an experiment, so we have to change our design rapidly. If it is work, otherwise it is on try and error base. So we have to change our drawing rapidly and continuously. So these are the application we use with a small effort of time, and even complex design we can generate in it. Also, it is used in automotive industry for design of all parts, like for example, four-wheeler or any sports bike. We have to design on aerodynamic systems. Also, their parts, gear, chain, box, shaft. We have to design it, and we have to experiment on it. So, if we have to draw on pen and paper, then we have to change and modify it. We again redrawing it on new sheets, and it's continually until we get our product. But this software have minimized our time, effort, and saving all the things. When we have modified it, it's by simple clicking, and we change all the design data, and we have to getting a new drawing again.
Perfect, sir. Done. Right. So that is all about the application. Correct? Hello, student. Yes, Samray. Yes. So, and this is the main things, the applications where it used Lucas sir suggested in previous time, you can see these two pictures, right? These guys and this lady is uh, doing their job as a drafter, right? As a drafter, they are making like you, what you are doing right now in your laboratory, correct? The drawing, papers, T square, Z square, correct? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir.
So this is the old scenario, right? This is the old scenario. Now the fundamental is required, your engineering graphics, but nowadays it's everything is converted into the menu, sorry, software drawing, not the manual hand drawings, right? So we have a lots of packages, two-dimensional packages to draw the manufacturing drawing. This is the civil drawing, right? Automatic components drawing, right? This one is the again aerospace drawing, right? This is not possible by hand drawing, right? In nowadays, in this demand,
Yes.
correct? Now this is your so the AutoCAD software. So your AutoCAD software is look like this, correct? Your
Okay,
AutoCAD
sir.
software is look like this, and this is a
Yes, sir.
different menu. Like if you are automobile engineer, if you are mechanical engineer, if you are civil, if you are drafter engineer, right? So this software is required to study in detail. But right now for you, this is your part of syllabus, and you are from CE and IT, so that's why you need to learn the basics of this, only the basics of this. And how to decide which one is the basic? So you just go with your um, computer aided drawings syllabus, right? So introduction, and the first, if you see first version that is launched in 1997, in the sense, um, it's for where is the 1 second. Yes, right now 220, 1997, before 23 years ago. Before this AutoCAD is launched, Autodesk is launched first version of AutoCAD, correct? And AutoCAD is generally used to draw the drawing by 2D packages, right? Using, yes. So this is your GUI. Listen carefully. What is the meaning of GUI, computer engineers? What is the meaning of GUI? Graphic user interface.
Interface.
Correct. And this is the different types of menu bar is given to you. File menu, right? Edit, view, insert, formats, tools, and draw menu, dimension menu, modified menu, and all that things. Correct? All that things. Out of
Yes,
that,
sir.
this is much more important for you as part of your syllabus and the application point of view drawing. And second one is most important, that is for you is modified menu, correct? Modified menu. So few commands, we have to start the few commands. If we see the document line, first we have to start with the line, right? So right now we are dealing with draw menu, okay? And another is modified menu, correct? Yes. So line in case of your sketchbook, line is simple a horizontal line or a vertical line or a inclined line or a infinite line, projections line, right? So આની અંદર તમારે line કરવી હોય, if you want to draw the line in this software, you just go in the draw menu, right? You just go in the draw menu, right? So this is your line, correct? This is your, are you able to see the command line?
Yes, sir.
Yes, just press it. It's like your Word, Microsoft Word, right? Insert menu, edit menu, like this. In this is the draw menu. This is the line command. There is so many command available in draw menu. This much of command, correct? Out of that, that is the line. Suppose you press the line command, right? Here the software is automatically ask you the line, specify the first point. In the sense, user have to select the first point where they start their line, that where they want to start the your line, correct? And then after specify the next point. Look here, look here, just check. Specify the second point. So second point that you need to specify, correct? So second point,
Yes.
suppose if you want to draw the straight line, right, then ortho mode that you need to on, right? This is the inclined line, right? This is not a perfect horizontal line. This is not a perfect vertical line. But if you want to draw a perfect horizontal line, correct? So this is your ortho mode. Are you able to see my cursor? Where is my cursor?
Yes, sir.
Left
In
side
downside.
down.
Yes, yes, exactly. Right. So this is your ortho. Right now, you just check. This is your drafter is on. Your set square is with you right now. You just draw either vertical line or either horizontal line. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, suppose I just space. Suppose I just write 50 mm. I just write 50 mm. 50 in the on the in the sense as a my input. This is the 50, and I suppose I make enter again. Right. So I am able to draw a line which is the length is the 50.
50 mm.
Correct. Correct. So this is the
Yes, sir.
your line. With the help of the line, you can draw the simple geometry in AutoCAD, right? And that is the line. And if you are not using this peek and plus button, right? But
Okay,
so
sir.
you have a also shortcut key for this. The shortcut key for line is simple L. If you type L and then enter, your line command is start. Your line command is start. Is that clear?
Okay,
What is
sir.
the line in
Yes.
the AutoCAD? Yes.
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 And the
Yes, sir.
shortcut key for line is yes, this is the L. Okay. Now the polyline.
Yes, sir.
And sometimes in your examination, this type of question is asked: what is the difference between line, polyline, and using the AutoCAD? Look, these questions. So give 100% attendance to me, right? Polyline. Like you know what is the line now, correct? Now, what is the polyline? Look, this is your AutoCAD screen. Now I'm going to draw menu and polyline. This is the polyline, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, polyline. I press and I'm making same things. This is the I'm using the polyline, correct? And I am making this object with the help of the simple line, right? There is a no difference as a look like, right? Can you identify right now which things I prepare from the simple line command and the polyline command? Are you able to identify right now which one is from line command and which one is from PL? In the sense, PL is the shortcut key for the polyline, but what is the difference between polyline and simple line? Right now, are you able to identify?
No.
No, sir.
No, no, કઈ નથી ખબર પડતી. Sorry, you cannot identify. But if you select this geometry in this screen, look, now you can identify. Okay.
Acha, polyline is also line.
Okay. બોલો 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 બોલો.
એટલે પોલીલાઈન એ
Poly-
લાઈન જ છે બીજી, પણ એને ચોક્કસ આકાર આપેલો છે.
નહીં, look my
So the
look my
perfectly
selection.
horizontal and vertical નથી.
તો બનાવી દઉં તમને.
તો ઓર્થો મોડ કમાન્ડ થઈ જાય ને.
Yes, this is the your perfect horizontal and perfect vertical in both.
એટલે થઈ ગઈ.
Right. Right. This is your perfect horizontal and this is your perfect vertical. Now, can you identify which is from polyline and which one is from simple line? No. You just select this geometry, right? This, suppose you select this one, right? Look, and now I'm selecting this one. Are you able to identify?
No, sir.
No, still no. Look,
No,
the selection. Look, this is the selection. I select this line from right hand side, right?
Yes.
Which geometry is selected right now? Only a single particular individual line. This one.
Okay.
Am I right? And now, which is made up from polyline, I'm selecting the object at same place. What happened?
Yes. આમાં બધું select થઈ જાય.
Yes, in this is the totally a region, right? This is the totally a region. And what is the
Okay.
application of
Okay.
this? You are learning your engineering graphics in 2 dimensions, right? In 2 dimensional, right? Suppose if you want to make your drawing in 3 dimensional, right? So that is the possible only if you are do your drawing by using your polyline. Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Correct. So that is the different applications of your line and the polyline. In polyline, you can see your region is full. This is the full region, and this is individual entity. Look at out. This is your individual entity. Correct.
Yes,
Understand
Yes.
the point? Yes. Now,
Yes, sir.
what is the next? What is the next? Basic common poly like circle. Yes, line, polyline. Now, next is the circle. Yes, circle is the basic primitive types of geometry. This is the draw menu. Are you able to see the draw menu?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
Right. And this is the types of circle. Just read circle radius, circle diameter. What is the meaning of this? Suppose I select circle, right? And then now look in command menu, right? So you need to specify the circle diameter. Suppose I say 10 mm diameter. So this is the 10 mm of, sorry, 10 mm of radius, right? Right now they are asking about the radius. Now suppose you select center diameter, right? Right. So this is the your D. D is for diameter. You need to press the D again. And suppose you are telling to the diameter is 10. Correct. So this is the 10 diameter of circle, and this is the 10 mm of radius. Correct.
Okay.
So
Yes.
sometimes the diameter you require, sometimes you radius required. So both the facilities available. If you do not want to manually calculate, then 2 point. What is the 2 point? Suppose you have a uh, 2 point. Here is the 1 point, and here is the 2 point. If you want to draw the 2 point circle, just simple select this and simple select this. Suppose you want this is the my point. So your command, your software is not ask about the radius. They are satisfy your condition. First one is the this point passing from this, and second one is passing from this. So the input is what is the input for this type of circle? 2 point. That's why that is known as a 2p, right? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Another circle, suppose you have a triangle, and you need to pass circle from this one. This is the triangle in front of you, right? And this is your draw menu, and this is again your circle, and this is the 3 points. So what is the meaning of 3 point? First point, second point, and third point you need to specify. No need to specify the radius. Clear?
Okay.
So this is the
Yes, sir.
types of
Yes,
circle.
sir. Yes.
And yes, and another types of circle that I need to see. Yes, this is the TTR. Yes, this is the tangent. Suppose, yes, this is your uh, two line, right? Two line, and you want to draw the circle which is tangent to this both the line, right? So draw menu and the circle, tangent radius. So this is the tangent, and we need to specify the radius. Suppose I say 5 mm. First I need to check the distance of these things. Minimum is distance is 0.44 and maximum is 3. So I need to define my dimension which is between this. Right? So again, go menu, TTR, tangent radius, tangent, and suppose I press 1, right? So what is the condition for this circle? You need to specify the tangent point of this, and specify the radius for this. Correct?
Okay.
Correct. And last types of circle is in draw menu. Just go in the circle TTT. This is the tangent and
Tangent.
tangent. You need to specify the three tangent point. You can make three circle using this three tangents using this option. So can you, Pawan,
Yes, sir.
types of circle? Please give me the list. First by
Two
radius, first by
types of
diameter, second by 2 pin, third 3 pin. Bolo, aur be baki.
tangent, radius.
Very good. એનો meaning એમ છે કે તમે
Tangent.
yes, this is the types of circle. This type of question asked in your examination. Different types of circle and what is the use of this. You need to specify with example.
સર એટલે આના દોરવા બી પડશે રેડિયસ ના
Draw
સર્કલ
karwana.
ડાયામીટર.
Yes, no, you just explain this and draw this type and this.
Okay.
Specified, right? Depend upon how much mark is weighted. Suppose 3 marks, you just draw a 1 to 2 figure and explain little bit in detail in your
Okay.
in your language using, you don't have a software at that time. You don't have a software at that time, right? You just explain in your word. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that is the circle. This is the circle. Where is the syllabus? Yes. To like circles. Rectangle. Yes. This is the rectangle. This is Roman. Yes. Li go outside. Yes. The rectangle. Look. This is the rectangle command is given to you. Okay. This is the rectangle command.
Yes, sir.
There is so many types of rectangle. First they are asking whatever, no need to remember anything, everything is asked by the software. Specify first point of the corner. This is my first point, and diagonally they are asking second point. So this is the second point of the rectangle. You can create rectangle easily in AutoCAD. Now you have to compare. If I say draw a rectangle in your sketchbook, and right now you just tell me how to draw, so I just say REC is my shortcut, or the command is available in draw menu. This is my rectangle. It's microsecond is required to draw the rectangle.
Yes, sir.
If you have AutoCAD, if you are added computer, correct? So this is the shortcut. Yes, put a circle. Yes, this is the circle. First we have to refer our syllabus, then after remaining command I will explain in detail after the completion of this point of syllabus. This is the circle. The shortcut key is C, and the types of circle are by radius, diameter, 2.3 by TTR and TTT. Clear? Now another things, rectangle. The shortcut key for rectangle is anyone?
R.
REC, not
REC.
TTR.
Okay.
REC લખવું પડશે. Yes, you need to specify types of circle. Now look, if you specify the first point, you have an area. Suppose you have area just here, you have to press A and then tell the enter the area of rectangular. I say 100. I need 100 square area for my rectangle. So and they are asking about the length. I say it's 10, right? And they are asking, I calculate the dimension based on length. Length is, suppose I said 10. Correct? This is my rectangle. This is 10. That is automatically taken by the software. In the sense, if you are using area command, right, you need to specify the things, how much area that you are. Suppose you say your L is not 10, 9. So they are automatically set their width. Correct? Then after rectangular, another rectangular, you have to provide the dimension of the rectangular. This is your rectangular. This I need 50, that I need 60. Or another types, you need to represent your diagonal area, because this is my first point and this one is my second point, right? So this is the methodology of draw the rectangular in the software, right? But in case of your examination, rectangle command is ask, right? Then you have to explain this type of how to draw the rectangle. This is the basically three types of rectangle. First by diagonally, second by area, and second, and the third, by providing the width as well as the length. This is the possibility. I am giving you the literature how to write this. So this type of software command is available, RabbitMate available in the your rectangle in your AutoCAD. Right now, hedge. Oh, what is the hedge? First, understand hedge. Suppose if you need, right, section of solid is still remaining as a part of our cell label. So consider this is the object, right? This is the your object, and this is the another object. I need here 45-degree of line, right? So this is the command hedge. Hedge in the sense this type of different patterns is available, right? This type of pattern is available automatically, ready-made in the your AutoCAD software. Correct. This is the hedge. Suppose I take this is the 45-degree of NSI 31, right? You need to specify the area in which the region in which you need to hedge. You need a hedge. Suppose I need scale 4. Just preview. Are you able to see? Suppose આ વસ્તુ મને તમને સ્કેચબુકમાં ડ્રો કરવાની કીધી હોય તો hello. Yes, Pawan bhai.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Chintan bhai. પાછા unmute થઈ ગયા automatically આમાં. So, બીજા કોને unmute કર્યા હતા આપણે?
અનમ્યુટ થઈ જાય
પ્રિયાંક
છે એકવાર
પ્રિયાંક
થોડી વાર
પ્રિયાંક
મ્યુટ કરો ને તો અનમ્યુટ થઈ જાય છે
ઉભા રહ્યો. allow participant to unmute themselves. તમારી રીતે કરી લેજો. Mute unmute. Accept કરી દીધો છે. Correct?
યસ
Yes, તમારી રીતે mute unmute કરી લેજો. So are you able to understand what is the hedge? And the shortcut key for hedge is H. Suppose in civil drawing you need this is as a your bricks, right? So here, suppose I say here, this is the hedge cross section, it's hedge, and this is the 5, and then okay. So this is the your hedge. Right? Suppose I say hedge, another hedge. Suppose I select another hedge from the menu, angle hedge, right? This is the angle hedge for this section, correct? And I'm making scale 5. So this is the hedge. Are you able to understand what is the hedge?
Yes.
Actually, it's nothing
Yes.
but
Yes.
it's one type of pattern that is available in AutoCAD, right? Suppose in your true view right now, if you go for a section of solid, right? At that time you need to cut your cone, right? If you cut the cone, cut the cylinders, right? Right? So if you want to draw the true shape of this, at that time you need to draw 45-degree and 45-degree line, which is equal distance and 45-degree, right? So at that time this type of things is coming to the picture, this type of, right? Suppose in detail if you want to see the edge, right? Suppose this object is that this is the circle, okay? This is the circle, and I want this portion as a hedge. I want to fill the hedge, right? But not this, but colored hedge, right? This NSI, ISO, this is concrete, right? You can just select, I can select this portion and say 5, and then preview. Okay, 1, then okay, not 1. It's very small region, so I need to set. So this is the concrete hedge. Okay. Okay, suppose I need
Yes, sir.
gradient. Yes, that is available. Your draw menu, hedge command, and gradient. Yes, gradient is also like hedge, but the colored hedge. If you want the colored hedge, you see this type of different color is available with you. So many colors is available, right? So this is simply known as a hedge. Are you understand what is the hedge? Are you able to understand
Yes,
what
sir.
is hedge? Yes, the application of this, uh, when you want to see the cross section of anything, at that time hedge is used, right? and and fillet. Yes, this both command is very much important things. Fillet. Right? Any of you know what is the fillet? Utkarsh bhai?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you know what is the fillet?
Fillet means kind of a filler.
It's a kind of
Mm.
no
Filler,
please no filler. It's a head. Pawan,
Okay.
Pawan bhai.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So સુમિત ભાઈ તમે માઇક જરાક બંધ કરી દો. Yes. What do you mean by the fillet?
Rounded corner at the sharp edge.
Okay.
કોઈ
Very good.
મટીરિયલ ની પતલી સ્ટ્રીપ.
Okay. પછી આપણે ચૈતન્ય ભાઈ છે કે ભાગી ગયા?
બોલો ના.
Yes. What do you understand by the fillet and the chamfer?
ફિલેટ કોઈ મટીરિયલ ની પતલી સ્ટ્રીપ હશે.
ફિલેટ એટલે રાઉન્ડિંગ કોર્નર નું રાઉન્ડિંગ આવે ને.
Yes, yes.
Yes, very good, very good. Like this is your
ગુરગાલ ભાઈ.
chamfer. Look, તમારું મોબાઈલ જોજો, તમારું લેપટોપ ના કોર્નર્સ જોજો આવી હશે.
યસ સર.
Correct? If you cut the tin metal, right? Workshop માં તમારે experiment કરશો ત્યારે. So if your edge is cut by the sharpen like this, straight edge, and you are removing this material. So this is the chamfer. Okay? But if you remove the material in this round wise, having the some radius, correct? So this portion, this type of portion, like your corner of mobile, right? Laptops, right? And this. And what is the application of this, right? This is curved. Yes, exactly. The application of this, you can increase the reliability of the component and the safety of this. Suppose may a sharp edge રાખી હોત, right? In manufacturing, so it might be hurt to you. તમને લાગી શકે. And otherwise, that will be break from this. So your reliability, in the sense, life cycles, ઓછી થઈ જશે તમારી. If you're any mechanical automotive component are not having a very small radius or round, so the life of this component is very less. Correct? So this is the purpose. And now in AutoCAD, there is a separate command is given to you. The shortcut key for fillet is F. Very good. This is the F. And the shortcut key for chamfer is
નો.
C is for circle. C is engaged with circle.
CH.
H is not available, but
AM.
this is the
CH.
shortcut key of
ચા.
AutoCAD.
ચાચા.
ચા. ચા.
Yes, it's a tea time.
ચાચા.
Yes, correct. So now how to draw? One second. It's not tea time. It's still not 4. Now chamfer. This is your 20, and this is the 20 again. And I make the copy and paste over here. CH. Yes, Varun Dave bhai, તમે switch off कर दियो, mic off कर दियो, please.
હેલિકોપ્ટર ચાલે.
No, so some thing is. Listen,
Network
CH,
problem.
and I have problem for is fillet, right? What is the shortcut key for fillet? But I don't know, suppose the shortcut key of fillet. So I can select from the menu bar, right? That is available in modified menu, and this is the fillet. Fillet, select fillet, and then follow the instruction of the software, right? Select first object, right? First of all, you need to specify which type of thing is required. Suppose I need the radius, right? Okay. And then select the, specify the radius, right? Suppose I say 2, right? This, select this edge, and select again this edge. So you can get this one. Are
ઓકે.
you able to understand? right?
Yes,
Suppose
yes,
I
sir.
don't know,
Yes, yes.
suppose I don't know this command, so I can use draw menu, circle, tangent, tangent, radius, this command. This is the tangent, this is the tangent, and I require 2 mm radius. And then after I zoom this particular portion, then after go in the trim command. Trim is available in modified menu. Trim, select this circle, enter, and then remove this portion. Correct? Again trim and remove this portion. So I can get this
Oh,
thing. So I require
yes.
so much procedure. If I don't know the productive tool like fillet, like temple, I need to go with trim, I need to go with the circle TTR. Then after I need to go with the appropriate command, then go with the trim, then go with the selecting the edge, and then I ultimately export. But I know the productivity tool that is available in the modified menu like trim. I can get easily my fillet. Just F enter, R enter, and 2 enter, you can get your fillet over here. Correct? So now this is the
Hmm.
fillet command. And what about the chamfer? Right? Chamfer is nothing but the sharp edge corner. Suppose you have a sharp edge corner. This is the offset 2 mm from this. This is offset 2 mm from this. And suppose I select, go for the line, then this is the trim, not required, not required, not required. So this procedure is required to make, to draw the chamfer.
Chamfer.
Correct? I repeat. First, I need to go with 2 offset line, which is parallel to vertical as well as parallel to horizontal line. Then I select this point 2 mm and 2 mm of this point. I remove this reference line and I need to trim this one, right? I need to trim this one, but I have a ready-made command available in the modified menu, and that is
Yes.
productive tools, and that is the CHA. Where is the chamfer?
So नीचे
Yes,
नीचे
fillet
join
ऊपर.
नीचे.
नीचे नीचे.
yes. Yes, this is the chamfer. Correct. So CHA is the shortcut key. Select over. There is a lots of command, right? And out of that, I am selecting the D. The dimension is required from the first byte is 2, and from another side is 2. So this is my chamfer that I get easily. Are able to understand what is the chamfer? Suppose I need the chamfer having a different dimension, right? I need chamfer point here after 4 mm and here after 2 mm. So CHA is the shortcut key. No need to go in the menu bar, and then D press, and then through 4 mm, 2 mm, and you can just select from 4 mm here. I repeat, CHA. I need the distance. The first point at this is say 4, and the second is say 2. This is 4 and this is the 2. So software is automatically going 4 mm from your first selection. This is the 4 mm, and this will be your 2 mm, and your chamfer is happens. Correct? So this is your chamfer command in AutoCAD. Correct?
Got it.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
Yes,
sir.
trim. Yes, this is very interesting command. Trim, and simultaneously extend. This is very important command for any drafter and designer. Okay, so trim is name itself suggests it's a trim, right? It's a trim. In the sense, suppose you have this line. This is one line, 2 line, 3 line, or 4 line, or you have a different circle in front of you, right? This is the circle, and this is the line, a different line, right? And you want to trim the particular this line, this particular portion of line, this portion that I am not required. This is not required. What to do? Suppose I select this line, correct? Select this line, then this is fully selected. Suppose I press delete, so line is fully deleted. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
right, sir.
So what to do for trim? Trim is available in modified menu. This is the trim, correct? Trim, select this trim. This portion is not required. So first you have to decide in your mind, right? Which is which is intersect to this line, right? So you have a answer this one and this one. So select first this, then after select this as a cutting edge, and then you can remove this. Now I'm performing the practical in front of you. I repeat, the modified menu, and here is the trim, right? The command is automatically supposed to tell you select the object that you want to trim as a selecting the cutting edges. So my cutting edge number 1 is this, cutting edge number 2 is this, and then after I make press enter, and then I select which is portion I not required. Got it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm repeating. Suppose this is the my cutting edge, which is red color, and suppose this is green color. I'm not required in this portion. This is not required. In this circle, this is not required. In this circle, this is not required. Right? So this
Okay.
the trim command I'm using. Right now, I do not want to go in this menu bar. I have a shortcut key. Just press T R. Here is the shortcut key for trim. Select this cutting edge and enter. Not required. Not required. Not required. This is the application of trim. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that is the application of trim. Yes. This shortcut key for trim is
TR.
TR.
TR. TR. Okay. Very good. Now another command, that is the extend, and the shortcut key for extend is EX. Okay. Now try to understand. Suppose I have a line which is not joined to this reference line, right? This is the line. This is the line. This is the line, and this is the two wall in front of me. My task is what? Listen carefully. My task is what? I want to extend my line number 1 at up to this wall number 1, and second task is what? This second line that I want to extend up to this wall number 2. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what I have to do, just press go in the modified extend. This is my command, EXTEND, extend. Select as a reference edge this and enter. This is my line number 1. This is extended. Okay. I repeat, extend. First select the wall in which you need to up to that you need to extend your line, and select this one. Correct? Suppose I have this line as my reference line. I want to extend this circle. Suppose I want to extend this circle. So extend, what I have to press first? The reference line, and then after select the object. So this portion is extended particularly. Correct? Got my point? What is the extend? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
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 Yes, sir.
So chamfer, I repeat, chamfer, that is the CHA, if I'm not wrong. CHA. What is the shortcut key for fillet?
F.
Very good. Then what is the line? Polyline, it's okay. Yes, what is the shortcut key for trim?
TR.
Yeah.
Yes, and what is the shortcut key for
EX.
extend? Is EX. Is that clear? Extend, or the meaning of extend, application of extend, circle, applications of circles, fillet, application of fillet, how to draw, and what is the different menu bar for this. Line is available in draw menu. This is available in draw menu. Fillet is available in modified menu. Circle is available in draw menu. Trim is available in modified menu. Extend is available in your modified menu. Now where is the syllabus? extend, offset, yes, offset. What is the offset? Suppose you have this line, correct? This line in front of you having 50 mm of length, correct? You want to draw a parallel line. I want to draw a parallel line over here at particular distance, okay? At particular distance, correct? So this is the offset command. Now, where is the offset command? Here it is, verified menu, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so I am pressing the offset key. The software is asked how much distance that you need to record. Suppose I say 5 mm, correct? And the enter, select the object that you need to require to offset, press enter. And which side you require your offset, this side or this side. So this you need to specify, either you have to select from this side or either you have to go for this side. That is in your control, that is in user control, correct? Offset, yeah, my question is that can I apply the offset in circle? Yes or no?
Yes.
Can I apply? My question, listen my question. Are you able to understand what is the offset in line?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
My question is now, can I apply this
सर
in circle?
स्टार्टिंग से बताना. Yes, 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 yes.
1 second, I am taking attendance. 1 second. Yes, Zil, Kusali. Yes, very good. Kursu. Yes, okay, okay, that's it. Yes, so my question is that I repeat the offset command. Listen carefully. Suppose I need one line which is parallel to this, right? What we are doing in your sketchbook, you are doing sliding of set square. Am I right or wrong? But here you have a command.
Yes, sir.
The shortcut key for offset is O. You just write the offset O, correct? O, and then enter, and then enter. My command is start. The software is asked the distance. Suppose I say 5, and then select object and specify the direction. Here it is, here it is, here it is, here it is. So you can make n number of line of parallel to this origin, correct? Now my question is that can I apply this offset command in circle, yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
No.
No, no, no.
No, sir.
પણ સર આપણે પેલું 2 પોઈન્ટ અને 3 પોઈન્ટ જેવાળો સર્કલ હતું એમાં આ ના થઈ શકે.
No, 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 my question is that
Circle તો circle
suppose
છે ને.
this is the linear object, so I am giving the offset distance, correct? This is the my dimension of this. To go, I want to see how much dimension the software is correct or not. Just see, where is the arrow? This is your arrow. Do you remember my first lecture? I'm telling you different types of arrow.
Yes, sir.
Architecture's
Yes, sir.
arrow, close field arrow, open. તમે क्या करता था पहला? We were starting our AG. We are doing this arrow,
Right angle.
right? This arrow, but this is not allowed. Yes, engineering arrow, right? Yes, yes. This is your arrow, right? This is the arrow. It is. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Right, sir.
Now, this is the 5 mm distance of offset. Suppose I apply this offset command over here. What happened? Am I right? You can apply offset command in circle. You get concentric circle. Got my point?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
સર અંદરની બાજુ કરીએ તો થશે?
Up to the radius. Suppose this is this is last circle. Why? Because of you are setting your distance up to 2, so you can get maximum 2 mm of offsets. So she last one is this. Last one radius is 1. Correct? Having a 1 mm of radius, હવે આની અંદર બાજુ 2 mm નું distance no મળે. It's limitations because itself it's 2 diameter. Go on, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes.
other person? Can I ask question? Can I get offset inside this? No.
No.
You can. This is the last limit of 2, whatever the radius. Now, this is your syllabus offset. Correct? And the shortcut key for offset is
Oh.
exactly, yes. O is the offset. I just need to
Nothing.
write offset. So shortcut key that you know already. It's O is the shortcut key. That's it. Yes. Now those who want to go, just leave the live session. And if you are still interested, right? If you are still interested, few command is remaining. Look, 1, 2, 3. This is done, right? But you just, this is your part of syllabus. Which one is I highlighted? This is your part of syllabus, correct? But for your information, university is not strict with the syllabus. Look, I'm giving you proof of this.
Array.
Can you do my array?
Question 2A.
Yes, that I'm not right now. Still, I'm not completed array because that is not available. Am I right? Array. Another edge. You know, circle. You know. Yes, mirror. Mirror. Yes, mirror that you. It is asked in your examination. Look it out. Extreme. You know, trim. Fill it. Arc. Yes, this is arc. Very good. This is arc. It's still not. Polyline is no. Line is no. Chamfer. You know. And rectangle, you know. So it's done. It's done. What about this?
Yes.
Mirror area, right? Yes. If you want to learn, then continue with session. Otherwise, you can left. Right? It's
Sure, sir. Continue.
if you're yes. But those who want to go for because of the limitation of internet and all, you can leave. I will give you the video. No worry. No worry about the video. Correct? No worry. Okay. Now, can I start another things which is remaining in front of you? The construction line. This is
चलिए शुरू
nothing
करते
but
हैं.
right, radio station. Sandirakan. Yes, this construction line. Construction line in the sense this is like your projection line. And the shortcut key for this is Excel. Right? Suppose, yes, suppose you have a circle, right? And if you want to draw a pyramid, prism, so you need a reference line first. Yes, this is the actual line. This is the horizontal line. Right? This is the Excel line. This is the vertical. Excel in the sense infinite line. Look, it's a never-ending line in the AutoCAD software. Right? Sometimes you require the ray line. Ray in the sense from one point and then after it's infinite. One point it's infinite. Correct? So this is the ray and this is the construction, or we can say the projection line. Correct? So
Yes, sir.
the ray line. There is a no shortcut key for ray. There's a shortcut key for construction line. Projection line is Excel. Right? Array. Now I'm going for array. Suppose you need some particular object, right? I'm deleting all the things, right? This is your circle and this is your things. I'm using the polygon and this is the hexagon, 6 mm polygon. This is the inscribed circle. look, this is your fasteners, or we can say the screw and nut, correct? I want this 8 number of or 12 number of pins in this particular pitch circle, correct? So this is the very much important things. Suppose this is XL, horizontal, vertical, look, XL, angle 45 degree, L, angle 135 degree. So this is the copy command. Look, CO is the copy, right? Copy from this to this point, this point, this point, this point, this point, this point, this point. Compare. Now you have to compare this technique with your manual technique. Suppose you need to draw these things in sketchbook. How
It
much
will
time
take
you
half an
require?
hour.
Yes, it's required. Yes, warlocks. And right now I'm using simple copy command using computer software. Right? I'm just using CO. This is my simple copy mode. A copy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 times, because one is already made by me. Remaining out of that, remaining is copy and paste. Now, suppose I do not want this process again. This is no doubt productive compared to manual, but again I need more productive. So you need to use the another command, right? So that is productive command, which is available in your modified menu, I think. Yes, this is the array. Are you able to see the array command?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
ARRAY, and the shortcut key for array is AR. Okay, this is the array command. Now you do not go in detail this, but તમને ખબર હોવી જોઈએ. Okay, what is the application of array? I'm going for polar array. Select the object that I need to array, right? Then select the center point. From which center point you need array? How much total number of item is required to array? 8. And add field at this, and just go for the preview. And then okay. This is the productive tool. Correct? This is the copy and paste. I need the use the command of copy and then paste in 7 times. I know the array command. That is available in AutoCAD. This is a simple AR, and in this is the poly circles, right? Poly circle. Or we can say in short, polar array. This is the polar array. Correct? Are you able to understand what is the array now?
Yes, sir.
Any practical example of this polar array? ફન ફેર માં ગયા છો? એસએલ વર્લ્ડ માં કે કોઈ પણ ફન ફેર હોય?
હા સર, હા.
તમે એક્ઝેક્ટલી મેરી ગો રાઉન્ડ જોયો હશે, એમાં તમે બેઠા પણ હશો, રાઈટ? સો ધીસ ઇઝ ધી
સર ગાડીના ટાયર ની અંદર પણ હોય ને?
એક્ઝેક્ટલી ગાડીનું સપોઝ કે તમારું વ્હીલ છે, એક્ઝેક્ટલી એની અંદર જે તમે બોલ્ટ આપો છો 4, રાઈટ? Definitely that is the polar array. Perfect. Right? So now you understand what to write in array, because this type of question asked in your examination. And now another last things for array, right? AR. Suppose this is your big living room, right? Here is your theater screen, right? This is your theater screen, and this is the sofa that individuals can sit, right? This is the sofa. Yes, I need the different 1, 2, 3 to 4 sofa over here, and 2 to 3 row over here, right? So I need to use the array, but in this polar array is not used. Correct?
Rectangular.
Yes, you need to use rectangular. In polar array, listen one more things if you want to study in detail. If you look, this is rotate as object is also rotated in polar array. Correct? Suppose you have to make this check mark off. So your portion is just copy and paste. The object is not rotated in this case. Okay. So in polar array, there is a two types of array. First, this one in which the object is not rotate itself, and if you press this check mark, then your object is rotate itself. My point. Correct. Now, this is the rectangular array. Rectangular, you need 3 row and 4 column, for example, right? So this is your object array, right? Going to rectangular and 3 array, and the column, suppose I need 7, right? Select the object, which object that you need to array, rectangular array, offset distance, suppose I say 100, and column distance, suppose I say 150, correct? And then okay, right? And then okay. So this is my sitting arrangement. Suppose I give you some task to draw by manually, it's required 30 minutes. Suppose I say you have to use copy command, again you need 2 minutes, but I know the array command, in which I know the polar array and another is rectangular array.
Rectangular array.
You can get these things easily, right? You see the cinema halls, right? Very large party halls, the arrangement.
बुक माय शो
Suppose
की
you have
टिकट
this,
में ऐसा होता है सर.
આ બુક માં શું છે, તમે બસ ઓલું સિલેક્ટ કરતા હોય ટ્રાવેલિંગ માટે, ફ્લાઇટ બુક કરતા હોય, at that time this type of facility is used in the so of the customer to plan layout. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now, so shall I move forward?
Yes, sir.
Sure, sir.
Yes. Mirror budget arc. The shortcut key for array arc is A. Right, arc is A, right, and different types of arc is available with us. For example, draw menu, there is 11 types of arc available. Just read, no hurry. 3-point arc, start center, the which is start from the start and center. Another is the start and ends, and third one is center and start. This is the different types of arc available in AutoCAD. Right, what is the meaning of 3? Suppose you have a 3 point, 1 point, 2 point, and 3 point, you can get your arc. Correct?
Okay.
Suppose you have a particular draw menu, 3, you have a start point, center point, and end point. This is your, for example, start point. This is the, for example, your end point. And suppose you have a end point now. This is the start point, this is the center point. You have to specify the center, and this is your end point. So you can draw like your arc like this, right? So this is the different types of applications. Suppose sometimes you have a start and an angle, you need to specify the angle, right? So this is your start point, this is your center point, and how much angle that you require. Suppose I say 30. So this, from this is the definitely 30 degree, correct? So according to your applications of arc, you need to go. So ana yaad kari se rakho, how to remember. Start with the start and center and angle length, again start with the start and end, angle direction and the radius, and start with the center start. Center start is the your compass. This is the center, this is your start, and this is your compass. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. And the shortcut key for array is A. And now, sorry, arc is A. Array for AR. Ray line. There is a no shortcut keys. This, and last things is still remaining. Yes, mirror. Mirror. The shortcut key for mirror is MR. MR. Okay.
Yes,
This
sir.
is very important command, because suppose you have an object, suppose you have an object like symmetric, like, so you need to draw, suppose this is your object, right? This is your object, and octagon 8, select center, describe the circles, right? Suppose correct. In case suppose you are doing manually things, right? So this is symmetric to this line. Look, this object is symmetric to this line. From this side and this side, it's same. Am I right? It's a symmetric, correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Suppose I cut this portion because suppose I draw only half portion of this, right? Half portion of this. So this is okay because I have a facility to draw the mirror. Suppose this is your correct half portion, correct? And any symmetric object, right? So you have a command m. Oh, sorry, it's my mistake. It is not mr, it's mi, correct? Here the shortcut key for mirror is mi. Yes, mirror mi. Select the object, correct? Select the your specific line that you need to refer. This is your mirror. Suppose you have a this type of geometry, right? Suppose you have this type of geometry. Line command. This is the line. This is your object, and this is the reference line for you, right? If you want to make a mirror for this line, right? So this is your object mi. Select the object.
So,
Hello.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Continue.
Kandida mute, right? Then this is the your mi. Enter this and select this. So this is the mirror, right? Select this object mi. This is the shortcut key for mirror, right? Enter. So this is the mirror. Are you able to understand what is the application of mirror?
Yes, sir.
Correct? But you do not. Yes, but you no need to perform any command in examination, right? In examination, you have a yes, you have a just theory, right? Explain mirror command with some specific figure and describe in detail either 4 mark or either 3 marks. You need first you say what is the mirror command, where is it available? That is available in modify menu in AutoCAD, and then you have to draw the some figure like this is the figure, and if I apply the mirror, then it's look like this. I can get this as a result and explain some things in your word, right? So this is your mirror command that is available in modified menu, correct? That is available in modified menu. So we are still we have to discuss about draw menu and modified menu. When our college start, I will explain in detail the dimension menu also, right? The text style,
Yes, sir.
dimension style, the arrow style, what is the different types of arrow and all. I will discuss in class, no worry, in our smart class, right? Right? Don't
Yes,
worry
sir.
about this dimension, but dimension is not majority ask, sometime ask, right? But the draw menu is very much important things. Modified menu is very much important things. Out of that, we are referring our syllabus, the syllabus, right? And finally, we are also conclude with the last at least 3 years of question paper from the GT, right? 19 is 2 paper and 20 is 1 paper, right? We are covering this one, this one, this one, this one in this session, right? And now I conclude for this session, today's session. What is the location is explained very much, very good things about the AutoCAD. Right now, where is the application? Everywhere, electric, civil, mechanical,
Aerospace.
automobile, computer, everywhere, right? It's required, even computer, right? You require the layout